So guys, if you recently saw, I have been obsessed with the Gluetag. So just does cool stuff. But today I'm going to be showing you a slow-mo. I mean, even my last one was slow-mo, but this time going to be a slow-mo of Gluetag sticking to a wall when I chucked it at a wall. But usually, I won't put this in slow-mo, but if you can see, there's a wall. Here's some Gluetag, just a ball of it. Camera position right. That didn't really stick, but if you make it into a proper shape, it does. That looks something like this. Now I mean, this is pretty easy to make. Just take the ball, squeeze the top, just press the sides like your thumbs, just press them out so they expand out. I mean, you can tell why this sticks. Large surface area, pretty thin, and just chuck it really fast and it just sticks to the wall. But one good throwing technique I tell you: put your middle finger and your index finger on the side of these two tops and hold your thumb like this, so you have a good pressure. Then just just keep a good hold on it, and just put your hand back and then swing it really fast and just go to a full 180. Swing it till finish the 180 and keep about 90 degrees against the wall. Let it go and it will stick on the wall. Now, I know my voice is getting annoying enough to lay slow-mo. You guys enjoyed those shots, and peace!